Hi you guys, welcome back into my channel. It's your girl Daejha, aka Day. If you're new here, welcome in. It's always a pleasure to have you. Thank you for stopping by my channel for today, and let's get to it. So I'm so excited to show y'all my steps to getting the perfect twist out with minimum frizz. And so today I used the Mielle products, which I am about to get ready to show y'all now. But before we get into the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share my video. And I'm excited to be showing y'all some of the steps that I do, so maybe you can incorporate in your routine. Always remember that everybody's hair is different. So maybe you can take a few steps, try a few steps. If they work for you, keep them. If not, try to find some new ones. But let's get to it. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the products now. Along with the products, I'm going to be showing y'all the steps as well. I start off with the Mielle leave-in conditioner. It's pomegranate and honey. It smells so good, you guys. When I say so good, like, oh my gosh, I couldn't even focus on the video because this smells so good. And then next I go in with a cream, and I'm using the Mielle pomegranate and honey twisting souffle. So that's gonna be from the same line of products. It smells so good as well. It's very creamy and buttery, so I like that for a twist out, because as you know, you're gonna be having it in for like a while. So once it's sit in, like a butter really helps lock in that moisture. And then next I go in with my Mielle honey and ginger styling gel. This is actually, this is the same brand but a different line. But I love to top off my twist outs with this because it's light enough. It's kind of like a gel, but not really. So it's light enough to hold my twist in place, and hold like the frizziness. You know, when you take out a twist out, it could get really frizzy. So I like to top it off with this. You guys, it is the best stuff. If you have not tried it, you need to try it. I say it works on a lot of different hair types. Try it and definitely let me know. But anyway, so I'll go ahead and get into the tutorial, you guys. I'm going to be using those products in that order. Of course, you know, my distilled water that I use. And let's get to it. Let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, so before I end this video, I just wanted to let y'all know that I will be back with the results. I like to sleep with my twist in, and so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed, and I will be back to show you guys the results, so be ready. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're new or if you haven't, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I appreciate the love in advance. And thank you. See you next time.